Streetfighter, a unique project where personnel from the Royal Tank Regiment were asked what changes they'd make to a Challenger, and the ideas were then implemented. Lieutenant Tom Quant is a Challenger 2 troop leader and talks us through some of them.
So here we've got barrel-mounted cameras that enable the tank to look around corners without exposing it. We've also got hull-mounted cameras which feed into a screen at the back, enabling infantry dismounted behind us to see everything that we can see up front. On the roof, we've got a 360-degree HD camera that eliminates all blind spots and provides total all-round situational awareness to the turret crew inside. On the BAS plates here, we've got ladders which we can carry for the infantry, and we've got BAS plate steps, enabling them to mount the vehicle and go in through lower ground floor windows. We've modified the stowage units on the back, which enable the infantry to stow away ammunition, medical supplies, radios, etc. This is the screen I was talking about, into which all the camera systems are feeding, and it means the infantry back here can see everything that we can see up front.
It's such a simple concept, mounting a camera on the gun barrel to get that forward visibility. I gather the Danes were the first to try it in Afghanistan using a sports utility camera on their Leopard tanks. That's modern technology, but the paint job on this Challenger harks back to a different time. It's called Berlin Brigade Camo, used during the Cold War by British tank crews in the streets of Berlin. The idea is very similar to the Dazzle ships of the First World War. This blocky pattern breaks up the outline of the tank.
So that's what we've done with that.
Unlike a lot of the other bits of equipment here, this isn't sort of new technology. This is an existing platform that what we've put down to the soldiers is to get their ideas. So it's top-funded ideas from the bottom, and a lot of the ideas are extremely simple ideas, but ideas that have a massive effect on the way we can do business.
I'm the driver of the tank, which is located there. My suggestion for the tank is the beamer dozer attachment. I thought of this because, as experience, coming through an urban area, you come across roadblocks all the time. So we use this to help the infantry move a roadblock that's sat in front of them. So it move cars, rubble, and if needs to be, you could dig a hole for your tank to sit in.
We were given a small grant from Army Innovation and a brief.
There's little doubt these crew design changes would aid operations, not just for the tankies, but also for the infantry supporting them. And back inside the display hall, another aid to the infanteer, an integrated optical display location system.
It all starts with the goggle. So what we have is our TM line of goggles. It's got a display in it, as well as a camera, so it allows us to pull video in and out. But also that display allows us to put on the situational awareness, information from their phone, any videos that could be streamed in.
In short, what the soldier sees, so can commanders, and their positions can be plotted automatically, and that information fed back to the soldier's smartphone. The days of not knowing where your comrades are in the battle space could be over. Drones aren't new, but their capabilities and resilience are growing all the time. And serving troops are given the chance to test many of the available models.
So on a personal level, I believe the equipment was very well put together. It flown well, and also it worked in weather conditions that we don't usually fly within.
The UK Army were actually quite blown away by how advanced some of the technology actually was and what we could actually do, because of some of their, the kit that they currently have today is so out of date.
Autonomous Warrior has been much more than just an opportunity for industry to showcase products. It's let the troops who'll use them try them out and tell industry what works and what doesn't.